Hi, I'm Joshua Brown, the Marketing and Technology Consultant for BIS Business Information Solutions here in Robertsdale. And today we have with us Mr. Steve Dukes, the owner of Baldwin Heating and Air. Steve, if you would, just give us a little information about how you first discovered Business Information Solutions.
We have a computer software program here that's very difficult to run, and we've had a few issues with it over time, but we've had some great help from BIS, and they've really helped us along the way to make it easier for us.
Okay. And about how long have you been a client of ours?
Ooh, probably 10 years, I think, at least. Yeah.
It's been a while there.
4 years in a new building, I think. Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. Also, just want to ask a question of the day-to-day operations, and any computer problems that you send a ticket over to us, and are we addressing them on time?
Absolutely, yeah. Within inside of an hour, we usually have a resolution.
Okay. So would you say that we are saving time for your business operations?
Yeah, absolutely. It's time is money for us too. So
that's awesome.
That's a big difference.
That's one thing that we always want to deliver is saving time for your ease of operation throughout the day, and letting technology be an accelerant for your business. Now, before we started the video, you were telling me that you were just awarded the Generac Eagle Award.
That's correct.
Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I didn't even know we were going to win it, but it was an award for being able to prosper, and the year that we had in 2020, we were a good growing business for them, and we showed resilience, and we're 100% Generac. So it really it was an honor to get it. There's only 4 people in the entire country that got it in their network, so it was a pretty good.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So today we wanted to present you with the Proactive Partner of the Month for BIS.
Oh, okay, cool.
And this is for Baldwin Heating and Air, located right here off of County Road 64 in Daphne, Alabama.
Yeah.
Steve, I just want to thank you for being a faithful customer
Yes,
of ours, and we look forward to taking care of you every day from the past 10 years until the next 20.
Awesome.
All right, thank you, Steve.
Yes, sir. Thank you.